Hello guys, welcome. This is the third video of this series for setting up environment for Python. There is no such long list to download. There are only two things, Anaconda and Chrome browser. I'm sure that you all have Chrome browser. If not, please install Anaconda. You can download from this link. I'll provide both the links in description also. First of all, let us install the Anaconda. For downloading, go to this link which I have provided you. There are two options for downloading. One is Anaconda 5.1 with 3.6 and the other one is 2.7. This is for Windows. There are option for Mac and Linux also. I'm doing everything in Windows, so I'll install the latest version. I'll tell you the difference between Python 3 and Python 2 in the later videos. Now let's download this. This is almost 500 MB according to you, 64-bit or 34-bit. I have already downloaded and my software. Okay, I have downloaded both the things, but I am going to install the Anaconda 3. Let's click this. Okay, I clicked. Just me. Path, let it as it is. Just go with this install. I'm sure it will take time. Okay guys, Anaconda is installed. Now let's run that so that we can type some commands in Python. There are two options. I'll show you first with the CMD. Just type Anaconda and click on Anaconda prompt. Just type Python here. You can see that Python 3.6.3 is installed with Anaconda. Now you can work on Python. I'm giving variable name is equal to var and its value to 5. Now I'm printing this variable. You can see the 5 is printed. We'll do so many commands in this in the later videos. I'll show you the second way. Just type Anaconda and go to Anaconda Navigator. Initializing. For the first load it will take some time. There are so many things. As of now, you need not to think about anything. You just have to work on Jupyter Notebook. Just launch your Jupyter Notebook. It will redirect you to the Chrome browser. So this is your home page of Anaconda. From here you can go to Python 3. It will open you new notebook for you. We'll do the same command which we did in our CMD. Okay. For executing this, there are two options. Either you execute it using this command run cell, or you can just press shift and enter. It will give you the output. Okay, I think this is simple. These are the two things how you can run the Python commands. I like both the ways. It depends upon you that which one you are using. In the further videos we'll see that how we'll work with some of the commands in Python so that you guys have idea that how we'll move forward with the Python thing. Thank you guys.